into this Junction Falls footbridge, and you can only have at least, at the most, 3 people in this footbridge at one time. So exactly, and I'm quite freaking out right now. There's a nice little creek underneath it that goes all the way down.
It's pretty steep.
Ooh. Yeah. We find this little hiding area. Oh look! We've got the picnic table! Whoa! Look at this. Oh, you can actually walk behind it. Check this out.
Once you came in on to 20, that was meant to be the 10-meter one over there. It's about 5 meters walk. Don't believe the maps, they're a little bit out.
Yeah. Well, we find the
Picnic
table. Oh look, there's a little ant. Ant.
Like,
Is it spider? It's ant.
no,
it's a red
it's
ant.
a spider.
Oh, spider ants.
It is an ant.
It's an ant with a leg that looks like a spider.
The way
Why?
it's walking is very much like a spider.
Exactly. That creeps me out a little bit.
It freaks me out too. It's an ant.
I mean,
Definitely
I don't
it's
mind.
walking like a spider.
I don't mind playing with, like, you know, lions or all those big stuff, snakes, the big snakes, but when it comes to insects, I'm just not a big fan. Alright, we're going back to the track again now. Track to the next waterfalls.
There's another 2 waterfalls.
Oh, if you guys like meditation, there's a little
area, but you have to go through some twigs.
yeah, like this area here,
Little
there's a little
trees.
open, you can actually get in there and have your little meditation or little lunch in there if you feel like it.
There could be spiders.
Yes.
Oh, what a walk.
I know, it's nice.
And I'll keep saying
Exactly. This is nice little stairs up. I love this little one. Look, you can't even go up there. Look at that. That's a little off track.
it's hard to get up.
Yeah, you gotta climb
Looks
up
like
there.
there's spider holes as well for funnel webs, so be big.
Up to that rock up there.
You could climb up there, but it most likely be this little section here. So.
From here.
Right, yeah.
On to the next waterfall.
Yep.
I don't think I'm looking forward to this.
Oh, it's a bit of a...
Oh, we've got 2 choices. One
Left is cataract,
to the left is Cataract Falls,
which is going up.
which is going up that way.
Pretty steep.
And
Federal Falls.
we've got Federal Falls next. That's the last one, I should say.
Federals. No, we go Federal first and then up to Cataract, because Cataract's on the way back.
Oh,
Right.
true. Yeah.
So yeah,
So we love the cataracts.
Cataract
That
Falls. We'll see that
thing last. So we're going to Federal Falls,
Federal
which is
Falls,
the end of the
about
track,
150 meters up that way.
and then we'll come back up.
Yeah.
Let's go. A walk so far.
Well, fun.
It brings back a lot of memories, but with extra waterfalls.
You can hear it.
Oh, look at this
It
rocks.
sounds like it's going.
Check this out. Look at
Oh, no.
that.
People there.
It's beautiful.
Oh, wow.
If you hear a bit of noises behind us, like chattering or anything like that, that's people underneath there.
You can see the changes in the era.
Yeah.
Each little bit, it changes. If anyone is into rocks and stuff and knows all that, yeah.
Maybe let us
what's actually
know.
here. So yeah,
If you know
This
what
bit of
year they
sandstone.
are, or you know,
roughly.
because there's a bit of a like copper color here. If you actually see this part here, bit like kind of brownish copper to like dark gray,
An iron
like
ore sort of colour.
yeah,
It is grey.
light gray.
Then you got the sandstone-ish
Exactly
look.
up there.
A bit of it's just broken away.
It's actually massive and a little scary if they actually break right now. This thing will fall right on top of my husband's head.
And that is
Oh yeah, look at that. Look how steep that is.
nice.
Okay, before the rock changes its mind, let's get going. I think it should be fine. It's been here for ages, so unless there's an earthquake, I think that rock would just stay there.
We got the best photo from that point.
Sweet.
Sounds pretty big.
Yeah, sounded like we're getting pretty close
Bit of water.
to it, to the Federal Falls.
There's a few areas where we can go down and have a good look.
Yeah, exactly, like down there.
Yeah,
Right there.
Getting a nice view from down there.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're taking photos as well. They'll go up on our Insta. And we're thinking about doing a Facebook page as well, but that's in the works. Mainly because Insta's really taking on over Facebook. They do work.
Alright, look at this. You've got a bit of sandy beach, as you can tell. It's pretty sandy. And then little creek. So this is the Federation Falls, Federal Falls, one of the last at the very end of the track, but because we're doing a loop, so from here we're gonna walk back to the Cataract Falls, which is our last waterfalls in our list. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed so far. Keep an eye on it, and we'll see you on our way up to the Cataract Falls. See ya! Now, we just came from the Federal Falls. We are up to Cataract Falls. Up the stairs we go. Look how steep this is.
Yeah. Very steep.
You can tell how healthy we are, how unhealthy we are. Yeah? Spider ant. We're almost there, guys. We're gonna stop here for a second.
Be careful there.
Look at that beautiful view. Oh.
Oh wow. Yes.
Alright guys, we just
A little bit of a break.
have a little bit of a break.
That's why I'm in front now.
Try to catch up our breath again. That was a steep
Very steep.
way up. That's our little Teddy Baba and Bebe on the side. Hello. You'll see them often, both in our walk and our Insta. Look at that beauty. Oopsie. I almost fall to that thing there. My shoe slipped a little bit. Onto the Cataract Falls right now. Onto that down there. Let's go.
Oh man.
Oh, what a walk.
Yeah.
Hear that? Oh, look at this one.
We could still use that as our...
It is getting a little dark at the moment and cool. Look at this. Cataract Falls. We're here.
Oh man.
Oh,
What a walk.
look. There's a lot more water in this one, I reckon. I'm not sure how
Holy
tall it
moly.
is. Here we are.
This is where food.
Oh, look at
Alton,
that
you should do
front up
this.
there.
Seriously, come here. Have a look at all this.
Up that way up there. If it was raining
Yeah.
for the last week and a few days before today, the water will come all the way from that.
And we'll
At
be
the
in
top.
water right now.
Yeah, we can't actually stand here
I doubt we
where
will
we
be
are
able
at the moment. Look how close the water is with my feet at the moment.
to. Although it does run pretty slow actually. Runs pretty slow that way.
But it
Yeah,
looks
this
still
should
pretty
fill up.
deep up, yeah. It's beautiful.
I'm gonna get a photo. With DSLR. Photo focus. Stop. Bit of overexposure.
Alright guys, so we made it to the Cataract Falls. You can actually have a little dip in there. It is a little bit deeper on the left side here. I bet this is a great place to swim after rainy days. So if you guys want to come on the full stream, come after rainy days. And yeah, and enjoy the waterfalls and a little dip in here. So thank you so much for following us through this waterfall tracks that we're doing, and please subscribe and thumbs up if you like more of this kind of videos to show you guys all the little bushwalk here in Australia. And yeah, and follow us on Instagram as well for all the pictures that we take along the walk. There's some funny pictures, a good one as well. So thank you so much guys. We'll see you next time. Bye mate.